Hi there! Here's a quick tutorial on how to display sugar alcohol information on your nutrition facts label. Let's get started. First, click on Customize Label button on your interface. Once you're in the customization menu, look for the Show Hide Nutrients option. Click on it to reveal the list of nutrients you can remove or include on your label. Now, find the sugar alcohol option in the list. Enable a toggle switch to make sure sugar alcohol is included in your label. This step is essential if you want to declare sugar alcohol content. The FDA requires displaying sugar alcohol only when making claims about sugar alcohol, total sugar, or added sugar. If your recipe contains different types, label it as sugar alcohol. If you are using a single type, you can specify its name instead. For example, Erythritol. For Canada, you need to show sugar alcohol on the label if your recipe contains it, even if you don't want to make a claim. Now, if you scroll down, you can specify the sugar alcohol name. For example, if your recipe contains sorbitol, you can indicate it here and there you have it. You've successfully displayed sugar alcohol information on your nutrition facts label.